In this video, we will study about different kinds of years and how it is useful in answering questions related to date and calendar. So we have to understand what is a calendar. Calendar is a chart which shows the number of days, weeks, and number of months in a particular year. So a calendar may consist of a year which has 365 days or a year which consists of 366 days. So a year which has 365 days is an ordinary year, which means in February there is only 28 days. A leap year is a year which has a total of 366 days, which means in February there is one extra day, that is 29th of February. So if we have to understand how many weeks each year has, an ordinary year has 52 complete weeks, which means 7 days, 52 into 7, plus one extra day. Whereas in a leap year, it is 52 complete weeks, that is 52 into 7 days, plus 2 extra days, which is equal to 366 days. So the basic thing we have to remember is there are two types of years, ordinary year and leap year. Ordinary year has 365 days, leap year has 366 days. Ordinary year has one extra day, leap year has 2 extra days. And both the years have 52 weeks, 52 complete weeks. Now we'll talk about century. In a century, there are 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. We have to understand how to find if a year is a leap year. That's very easy. If a year is a leap year, then it will be divisible by 4. Except for a century. If you have to find out if a century is a leap year, then it has to be divisible by 400. You can see the examples below. For example, the year 1988, 2008 are leap year because they are divisible by 4. Similarly, the year 1999, 2003 are not leap years because they are not divisible by 4. Now when we come to centuries, for example 2000, 2400, we should not divide by 4. We should be dividing it by 400. So 2000 and 2400 are leap years because it is divisible by 400. Similarly, 1700, 1800 are not leap years because they are not divisible by 400. So what you have to remember here is to find if a year is a leap year, you have to divide it by 4. To find if a century year like 2000, 2400, 2200 century year, to find if it is a leap year, you have to divide it by 400. For further questions and details about how to answer date and calendar related questions, watch my future videos. Thanks.